See, my life so hard, I don't know where to start at. I lost it in my childhood, can't locate where my heart at. From the world I feel distance, always gone in the instant. Can't rely on these people, nobody believes commitment. Resentment from the past is why they never consistent. If you was selected, my nigga, you was protected. Seduction from the women, I cattle will be the devil. I'm always alone, cause I'm on another level. Now proof, gotta give in, I'm never disrespected. Am I wrong for thinking or dreaming that I can make it? Man, they love the critic, admit it with no limit. In a hot minute, you win it but can't win it. Now I'm all alone, midnight walking, talking to myself, motivation will keep me jogging. But you never see me before, so I take it lightly. Please take the haters, some niggas wanting to fight me. T.O.B. my city, why I'm feeling no attachment. City was amazing, then I started rapping. Who even said that I care about this shit? Nobody tell me about my shit, so get the fuck up off my dick. Gotta think about time I'm leaving. All the times we had, I'm leaving. I only see dollar signs, that's what's on my mind. Fast coming in is all I'm seeing. Gotta go where the things I'm missing. Heartbreak collision is my decision. I only see dollar signs, that's what's on my mind. Fast coming in is all I'm seeing. Yeah, yeah. It's proof, baby, you know who it is, I prove it. I'm laughing cause I can spit, do my thing, you know I'm singing. Trying not to sing in time. I thank God for everything, I appreciate my little blessings. You see me, I'm okay, I'm trying to do a little something. I'm doing my thing, nigga, it's alright, come on, man. Don't push me over. He just saying, man, he just saying, yeah. Before they start to hang out, I like to get the hell out. Why they looking for my heart if the fucking thing fell out? Never been a bitch, so there's no time for makeup. Don't believe in relationships, don't act like this a breakup. But we can be friends and chill out on occasion. But they all wanted money, they greedy and all complaining. Never had the patience, got people say they masons. Until they see the devil, they don't know what they chasing. Now I'm chilling in the basement thinking what to do. I persist on the chat, my nigga, I just repel. I bet you if I was broke, nigga, they can never tell. I see the fake nigga, my vision will never fail. Cause you see me coming down, I show niggas love. Man, I try to hustle, man, I do this shit for us. But I can't care, cause I'm no longer there. I look up for myself, my nigga will never share. But now I'm looking selfish, I'll take that to the pelvis. Should I start my hair up, looking like Elvis? Pressure burst pipes, then the nigga breaks, and I ain't going for the shakes. Gotta do this for the mates, cause I'm trying to be different. I always be that nigga that can dance in Hell's Kitchen. Wrong time after time, can't see what's on my mind, so these niggas just rhymes, yeah. Gotta think about time I'm leaving. All the times we had, I'm leaving. I only see dollar sign, that's what's on my mind. Cash coming in fast, I'm seeing. Gotta think about time I'm leaving. All the times we had, I'm leaving. I only see dollar signs, that's what's on my mind. Cash coming in fast, I'm seeing. Yeah, prove, baby, doing my thing, freestyle. Just having fun, nigga. Yeah.